If your designs don't feel premium yet, it's usually because the framing lacks depth and intention. Today, how to create high-end frame designs. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting a main rectangular frame slightly off-center and place your image inside, adjusting it carefully. Now duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a layered border effect. Add a second thinner frame using a square outline element and align it perfectly around the main image. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or luxury-inspired color like deep gray or beige. Add subtle shadow effects to the main frame to enhance